Hey guys, it's John with HHHunt, and I'm here in the Granville Townhome model. This low-maintenance home offers up to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, almost 2,000 square feet, and a 2-car garage. You can learn more by visiting hhhunthomes.com, but in the meantime, let me show you this fantastic floor plan. This home offers an open layout with plenty of natural light and a generous family room to entertain guests. The dining room offers plenty of space for all your dinner parties. The Granville offers a great kitchen that fits your requirements. It features a large island, plenty of cabinet and counter space, a breakfast nook, and a spacious pantry. It's such an inviting and airy space. It's so convenient to have extra storage options and a garage access on the first floor. Plus, having a half bathroom on the same floor is a real bonus. Let's head upstairs. Here you'll find your laundry area, 2 extra bedrooms, each with spacious closets, and a hall bathroom. A large owner's suite with walk-in closet and private bathroom is a great way to enjoy this luxurious space. With the extra space, you can store all of your favorite clothing items and accessories in the closet and have plenty of room for getting ready in the private bathroom. At HHHunt, it's how you live that matters, and we're proud to offer floor plans designed with you in mind. To learn where you can purchase a Granville or to speak to one of our online sales advisors, please visit hhhunthomes.com.